Hello everyone, welcome back to VPMP Polytechnic YouTube channel. This is Shweta Patel. Today my topic is wrapper class. This is from second chapter. The chapter name is Building Block of the Language. Now, in this session we will learn about what is the wrapper class, why we need wrapper class and the simple and short example of wrapper class. Now, we will discuss what is the wrapper class. The wrapper class in a Java provide the mechanism to convert primitive into an object and object into a primitive. This is the same as typecasting in a C, C++ and a Java. The typecasting, it is a mechanism in which we can convert the one data type into another data type. But in a wrapper class, we convert the primitive data type into a object data type. The primitive data type are not objects, so they do not belong to any class. While storing a data structure which support only an object data type in a Java, then we have to compulsory use and we have to compulsory convert this primitive data type into a object data type first. So we use a wrapper class to convert this primitive data type into a object type. We can also say that in a OOPS concept, we learn that object-oriented programming is all about the object. Without object, we can't do anything in object-oriented programming. The 8 primitive data type in a Java like byte, short, integer, long, float, double, character, booleans are not an object. So, using a wrapper class, we convert this primitive data type into a object type like int to integer class. Wrapper class come under a java.util package. Data structure in a framework in a Java such as a array list and vector store only a object type data and not prefer primitive data type. So, a wrapper class is used to convert this primitive data type into an object data type, and this object data type are used in an array list and vector class. Wrapper class have a number of unique method for handling this type of primitive data type like Boolean primitive data type have a Boolean wrapper class. Character data type have a character wrapper class. Byte have a byte wrapper class. Short have a short wrapper class. Int have a integer wrapper class. Long have a long wrapper class. Float have a float wrapper class. Double have a double wrapper class. So, this all are a primitive data types, and based on this primitive data type using the wrapper class we convert this primitive data type into a object data type using the wrapper class integer, long, float, double, etc. Now we will see example of wrapper class. The best example of wrapper class is unboxing and boxing. Same as in a typecasting, automatic typecasting is done. Same as in a wrapper class, automatic conversion of primitive data type to object data type also done. So, automatic conversion of primitive type to the object of their corresponding wrapper class is known as a auto boxing. For example, conversion of integer to int to integer, long to long, double to double, etc. So, this is the example of converting integer to integer data type. So, for that we have to use here one class. This class have a main method in which we have declared a one variable that is a number which have a value 100. So, the number num is a variable which have a data type integer which is a primitive data type. Now, we convert this int into a object using the wrapper class integer. So, here we declare integer as a wrapper class which have a object obj, and using the method of value of integer dot value of method, this value of method will convert this primitive data type into a object data type. So, now this num is converted into a object type, And now the obj value, after converting the primitive to object, the value of obj is 100. So we get the output 100 and 100. This is the example of auto boxing. Now we will see the next example, that is a unboxing. So it is the just reverse process of auto boxing. Automatically conversion of object of wrapper class to its corresponding primitive data type is also known as a unboxing. For example, conversion of integer wrapper class object to primitive data type int, or long to long, or double to double, etc. Here we perform unboxing, that means we convert object to primitive. So see here, same class we have to use with the main method, and we have declared here integer wrapper class with the object obj, and the value of object obj is 100. Now using the wrapper class method which convert object to primitive data type, that is the int value. Now this integer num equal to obj.int value, that means that convert the object value into a primitive value. And again we get the output, the value of num is 100 and the value of obj is 100, but this is the primitive data type, primitive variable, and this is the object, that is the reference variable. Hope you know very well what is the wrapper class, why we need a wrapper class in a Java, and simple example of wrapper class. If you like this video, then subscribe it and watch the continuous video for the next lecture. Thank you very much.